All right. So yesterday we started talking about something called electron configurations, which is basically a simple way of writing out where every electron in an atom is located. So where in the space around the nucleus can we find each electron? Remember, we have a couple different pieces to those configurations that give us different information. We have our energy level number, which is going to tell us how close or far away from the nucleus our electrons are. Then we have our orbital letter, which tells us what shape or what orbital are those electrons in. Are they in a round spherical s orbital? Are they in a p orbital that's shaped like a dumbbell? What sort of shape is the path that those electrons are taking? And finally, we have a little superscript up here that tells us how many electrons are actually in that orbital, in that energy level. So this 1s1 is the electron configuration for hydrogen, which has a single electron. That would be put in our first energy level in the s orbital. So in order to be able to write the configuration of any atom, we are going to block out some parts of the periodic table and kind of annotate them a little bit. So I'm going to color this one blue, and don't worry, I'm making it opaque, or less opaque rather, so that we can all see what I am about to write. This is our S block. So atoms in this area are going to have electrons in s orbitals. We'll see some examples of that in the background. You can probably hear my cat yelling right now. So that's Walter. I'm going to color code this block green. This is going to be our P block. All of the elements in this area are going to have electrons in both the s and the p orbitals. This block is brand new to us, and we're going to learn more about it today. I'm going to color it orange, and it is our D block. Elements in this block will have some electrons in the s, p, and d orbitals. D orbitals have a real funky shape that we can't really describe easily, but we can look at some pictures. And finally, I'm going to color this one purple. This is our F block. It is also kind of funky like the P block. Elements in this area are going to have electrons in all four types of orbitals. So let me quickly jot down those labels that we gave them so that we don't forget. This is our S block. Make that really big. Okay. Our S block. This is our P block. This is our D block. This is our F block.